Hi guys, how are you all? I hope you all are doing great. In today's video, I'm gonna review a face wash which I bought recently. It's from a brand Neutrogena, and it's their Neutrogena Deep Clean Facial Cleanser. In this video, we're gonna talk about each and everything. What are their claims? What are the ingredient list? What is the key ingredient? So if that's something which gonna interest you, then please keep on watching. So guys, let's talk about the face wash. So the face wash is from the range of Neutrogena. It's the Neutrogena Deep Clean Facial Cleanser, and they have mentioned over here it's for normal to oily skin. But I have tried it and I would recommend it only if you are having a combinational to oily skin. Let's move on to the claims. What they are claiming into this face wash, they are saying that a penetrating and thorough cleanser that improves your complexion. Now about improving your complexion, I really will not comment about this because I am not into that brightening wala part, but yeah, it thoroughly cleanses your skin, so it's a really good point. Then moving on to the directions, they have mentioned how you have to use it. They have mentioned that it is a oil free and alcohol free face wash, so it's really very good again. Then it's dermatologically tested. Come on, all face wash should be dermatologically tested, so yeah. Then the next thing they have mentioned over here are the directions. They have mentioned how you have to use it. They have mentioned that I'll just quickly read it out for you guys. So they have mentioned that wet paste, pour into your hands and work into leather. Massage your face gently, then rinse thoroughly. If you experience dryness or irritation, use less frequently. As part of any good skincare regime, Neutrogena recommends daily use of sunscreen to protect your skin during the day. Yeah, the last point, I agree that you should use a sunscreen, but we are talking about the face wash, then I'll make a separate review regarding the sunscreen part. But we will talk about the face wash in this video completely. Talking about the caution, they have also given a caution which is again a good point. They have said that it's only for external use and avoid contact with eyes, keep out of reach of children. And one point is very irritating over here. They have written it's not suitable for children under 3 years of age. Come on, if you are writing this, you can write it after 18 plus. You can use this face wash. It's not only for less than 3 years children. I would recommend you guys, if you are 18 plus, then only you can go for this face wash. Okay, so quickly move on to the ingredient list. The first ingredient over here is a water. We all know that a water is a good solvent, so they have included water into it, which is in the higher concentration, so it's a really good thing. All the products or the ingredients are water soluble, so water is the first ingredient, which is aka aqua H2O. And the second ingredient on the list is sodium laureth sulfate. So the sodium laureth sulfate is basically a surfactant which will give you a foam. It is a foaming agent which will cleanse your skin really very well. Then the second ingredient on the list is the third ingredient on the list is glycerine. So the glycerine is a natural moisturizer. We all know that it is a good moisturizer. Our skin naturally has a glycerine into it, so it's really very good, and they have mentioned it as a third ingredient, so I liked it really very well because it is really very moisturizing for your skin. Moving on to the next ingredient is it's lauryl glucoside. So it's also a surfactant, so two surfactants up to now. Then the next ingredient is cocamidopropyl. So cocamidopropyl is basically derived from coconut. It is also a surfactant, but as it is derived from coconut, it might not be that drying on the skin, so it's a good surfactant. Next ingredient over here is PEC 120 methyl glucose diolate. Okay, so they have taken care of that also. Basically they are involving much surfactants into it, so in order to balance it out, in order to prevent the moisture loss, they have used this ingredient which is a magical ingredient into your face wash. It's PEC 120 methyl glucose diolate, so it's really very good. Then moving on to the next ingredient is salicylic acid. Salicylic acid is the key ingredient into this face wash, so it's really very good for your skin. Salicylic acid is a boon for your skin. It You must include the face washes which is having salicylic acid into it, so it's really very good. Talking about salicylic acid, what it will do on your skin, it will just exfoliate your skin really very well. Not only on the layer of your skin, it will penetrate deeply into your pores, so it will take out the dirt, junk and everything from your face, leaving on to a smooth textured skin. So it's really very important to use a face wash which includes salicylic acid. If you are allergic to salicylic acid, I would recommend you should do a patch test. Means you should apply a little face wash on a small amount of your face, and you should observe whether your skin is allergic to salicylic acid. That would be my recommendation. But most of the skin types, means salicylic acid is suited to most of the skin types, so I don't think it's a problem for many skin types. Then moving on to the next ingredient, the next ingredient is sodium citrate. Again, sodium citrate is a good pH balancing agent. I personally look out for pH balancing things into my face wash, because come on guys, our skin is very sensitive compared to rest of our body skin, because it is very thin, so we don't want any like acidic face wash that can damage our skin really very bad. So this face wash is really very good because it has a balanced pH, so it's good for your skin. So moving on to the next ingredient is citric acid. So citric acid is also a good exfoliant. It will what it will do is it will exfoliate your skin from within, giving it a smooth texture. So again, it's AHA basically, so it's a really very good ingredient. And one more thing I have observed about citric acid, many people doesn't like citric acid. Means citric acid is not suitable for their skin. Basically citric acid is derived from lemons, so some people are allergic to lemons. But don't worry guys, that is it is basically last on the list, so it might be very less in concentration, so don't really worry about it. But even then, if you are worrying about it, please don't buy this face wash, because we don't want any allergies or stuff like that. So if you are allergic to citric acid, then please don't go for this face wash. Moving on to the next ingredient. Next ingredient on the list is disodium ETDA. Then ETDA is also a good surfactant. I don't know why they have included this much amount of surfactant. Might be they have mentioned it deep clean, so they have mentioned this much amount of surfactant. But it's cool, like this surfactant and everything, they are really very mild. Like I have told you, they have derived it from coconut and stuff, so it's really very good. It's not at all stripping. One thing I would like to share with you guys, I am a person with combinational skin, so it's not that stripping on my face, but I would not recommend it if you are having a dry skin type, because it might be stripping and a moisture losing thing for your face, so it's not really very desirable. I would suggest if you are a person with combinational to oily skin, you can really use it. Instead, it will be a boon for your face. So the ingredients are really very good, really very promising. So if you want to buy it, I would leave the link in the cards in the description box below. You can buy it directly from there. And overall, if I want to rate this product, I would rate it 9 out of 10. I gave it 1 mark less because it has fragrance into it, which is not really good. But if you ask me, I really don't mind about fragrance, because it is a wash off product. We will wash it off, so we are not keeping it for hours on our skin, so we can ignore this point. And overall, it's a good product, I would say. And this, if you are having acne problem, then this will be the bomb product. You should definitely buy it. Just invest into it. It's just for 440 rupees. The MRP mentioned over here is 440 rupees, but on Amazon you will get it on discount. I bought it for 350 bucks or so. I'm not sure about the price, but I'll mention the links in the description box so you can check it out from there. So this was the quick review about the Neutrogena face wash. Just try it and tell me your reviews into the comment section below. And please consider subscribing my channel if you haven't already. You know the drill, right? Like, share, comment and subscribe. And with that being said, this is your host Gautami signing off for the day. Thank you so much for being such a patient audience. Love you guys. Bye bye.